part of the day, dear students and listeners. I am Mamedova Muatar Nasreddinova, head teacher and doctor of philosophy in chemistry, PhD at the Department of Natural Science of Tashkent State Agrarian University. I would like to present to you my lecture. The theme is non-metals, properties of non-metals and their importance in nature. The topic plan consists of the following: types of non-metals, atomic properties of non-metals, physical and chemical properties of non-metals, distribution of non-metals in nature. Types of non-metals. In the context of the periodic table, a non-metal is a chemical element that mostly lacks distinctive metallic properties. They range from colorless gases like hydrogen to giant crystals like iodine. Non-metals do not have the luster, ductility and malleability of metals. They conduct heat and electricity poorly, and in most cases they escape electrons during chemical reactions. Non-metals include 22 elements. Non-metals are located on the right side of the element groups in the periodic table. The division of elements into metals and non-metals is somewhat conditional. Metals: lead, gold, iron, silver, copper, tin are non-metals: bromine, fluorine, carbon, iodine, phosphorus, silicon and sulfur. Non-metals are elements that generally cannot conduct electricity. Examples of non-metals include hydrogen, carbon, chlorine and helium. Properties of non-metals include a relatively low boiling point and poor conductivity. Solid non-metals are dull and brittle. Moving diagonally from boron to astatine in the periodic table, the following elements are considered non-metals: boron, carbon, silicon, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Atomic properties of non-metals. In the periodic table of chemical elements, non-metals are located in the main group at the end of the major and minor periods. Non-metals of them belong to the p element family. These elements exhibit oxidizing properties. The electron attracting property increases with increasing atomic number across periods and decreases with increasing atomic number across groups. The electron attracting property changes and decreases along the following series: fluorine, oxidizing, chlorine, nitrogen, sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, hydrogen, silicon. Physical properties non-metals. Under normal conditions, some non-metallic substances exist in the following state: gaseous, liquid, solid. Gaseous: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine. Liquid: bromine. Solid: sulfur, carbon, iodine, phosphorus. Physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals are soft except diamond, which is the hardest natural substance. Non-metals do not have luster except iodine crystals. Non-metals are not malleable. Non-metals are not ductile. Non-metals, which are solids and liquids, have low melting points. Non-metals which are solids and liquids have low boiling points. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat. Non-metals are bad conductors of electricity except graphite. Non-metals are not sonorous. Absorption and reflectance spectrophotometry of non-metals. Non-metals vary greatly in appearance, being colorless, colored, or shine. For the colorless non-metals, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and noble gas, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, no absorption of light happens in the visible part of the spectrum, and all visible light is transmitted. The colored non-metals, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, absorb some colors, wavelengths, and transmit the complementary of opposite colors. For example, chlorine's familiar yellow-green colors is due to a broad region of absorption in the violet and blue regions of the spectrum. The shininess of boron, carbon, silicon, black phosphorus, germanium, arsenic, selenium, antimony, tellurium, and iodine is a result of the electrons reflecting incoming visible light. Chemical properties non-metals. The number of electrons in the outer electron shell of non-metal atoms is equal to the group number in which the element is located. Non-metal atoms aim to gain electrons so their ionization potential is high. Typical non-metals form ionic compounds with metals: sodium chloride, calcium oxide, iron sulfate. When non-metals interact, covalent compounds are formed water polar, ammonia non-polar. With oxygen, they form acidic oxides. Calcium with reacts oxygen, calcium, oxygen. Carbon with react oxygen, carbon, oxygen. With hydrogen, volatile hydrogen compounds. Sulfur acids, chlorine acids. Chemical properties non-metals. Unlike metals, non-metals form acidic oxides with oxygen. Acid anhydrous, for example, phosphate anhydrous, sulfuric anhydride, perchlorate anhydride. Some oxides of non-metals, for example, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, colored nitrile oxides. The higher the oxidation state of non-metals when combined with oxygen, the higher the acidity of the oxide formed, and accordingly the stronger the corresponding acid. For example, sulfuric acid is stronger than sulfate acid. Nitric acid is stronger than nitrous acid. Non-metals form volatile compounds with hydrogen. Most non-metals are acids, solutions of hydrogen compounds in water. Non-metals, except for inert gases, have a high electronegativity. Non-metals are of great importance in the national economy and agriculture. Chemical properties of non-metals. Differences in the reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen to form metallic oxides. These oxides are basic oxides because they react with water to form bases. Magnesium burns in air to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. Non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. These oxides are acidic oxides because they react with water to form acids. Sulfur burns in air to form sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water to form sulfurous acid. Different states of metals and non-metals. Metals are divided into two groups: solid, liquid. Non-metals are divided into three groups: solids, liquids, gaseous. Metals versus non-metals. The difference between metals and non-metals. Metals form cations, non-metals form anions. Metals metallic luster, non-metals dull, colorless to colorful. Metals good conductors, non-metals poor conductors. Metals malleable and ductile, non-metals brittle. Metals high melting point, non-metals low melting point. Metals most solid at room temperature, non-metals often liquids or gases at room temperature. Metals sonorous, non-metals not sonorous. Distribution of non-metals in nature. Non-metals are found in the composition of atmospheric air, the main gases and their amounts. Nitrogen 78.1%, oxygen 20.9%, argon 0.9%, carbon dioxide 0.03%. Variable. All the gases found in small quantities, water vapor 0 to 4%. Variable. Methane very small amount. Neon, helium, krypton, hydrogen, ozone, the amount of water vapor, carbon dioxide and ozone is not constant but varies. The two lightest non-metals, hydrogen and helium, together account for about 98% of the mass of the observable universe. 5 non-metallic elements, hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and silicon, form the bulk of Earth's atmosphere, biosphere, crust and oceans. All those metallic elements are believed to be slightly more than half of the overall composition of the Earth. Atmospheric air is vital for all living organisms, but as a result of pollution, the concentration of toxic substances can increase. Here is my information on the topic of non-metals, properties of non-metals and their importance in nature. Thank you for your attention.